cheapest way to waterproof a basement depends on where the water's coming from. If you have a simple crack, if you have water coming through a window and things like that, the simplest way is a crack injection. You come in, we drill holes every 4 to 6 inches on that crack halfway through the wall. So when we inject it with the waterproofing material, it has enough in there that it expands and fills that crack from the inside out. Typically, when you have a small water issue, a simple sump pump in the corner will help take some of that pressure off of the bottom of the slab and give that water somewhere to go. If you have water coming through a window well, which when we get massive rains in the Midwest, 4, 5, 6 inches of rain in a day, that the window wells will fill up and water will come through the windows. So that could be a simple repack. You dig down 3 or 4 feet, you take all that soil out and backfill with gravel to allow that water somewhere to go, and then just slowly expand out into the soils. The easiest thing I say to everybody is your house, your rules. The only thing I can do is come in and give you the repair plan that's going to fix your house and put it back to where it needs to with the damage that you have at the moment. Because you also can't predict the future. So you're trying to take care of the issues, the active issues that are going on today. We've had homeowners that the wall was in 4 inches and they wanted crack injections. Well, the crack injections are only as good as that wall if it don't move. That wall moves, breaks it open, then that was a waste of money. So we give them methods to fix the whole wall, which is your Cadillac, your Lincolns. You dig it out, you do it, everything. Then you get your Hondas where you patch the crack, and you get in the middle. You get your Toyotas that got the beams and the things like that to stabilize it, but it's not a long-lasting repair. When you just stabilize a foundation wall, that the repair itself only lasts as long as the homeowner does the maintenance on the property. If we put beams up on a wall that's moving and you don't take care of the grading and the downspouts over your time, then all you're doing is allowing the same soil and the same water that's expanding to push on those beams. Over time, those beams are going to give way if you continue to have that water intrusion on that wall.